Where does the name for Rhuddlan come from? So today I'm in Rhuddlan in Denbighshire. It's a small village surrounding a castle. Now the name's made of two parts. Rhudd, which means rad, and I know everyone's going to be like, Joe, isn't corch rad? Well, corch is the new word for rad, it's borrowed from Latin. Rhudd is the original word for what rad in Welsh. And then we have glan, which means the bank of a river or the shore of the sea. And it's named that because of the red soil that's common on the edges of the River Clwyd, which flows just underneath the castle behind me. So the name for Rhuddlan literally means the red banks. Now, right now I'm stood on top of Tot Hill. Tot comes from an Old English word, tot, which means a lookout position, and a hill is a hill. And they're usually found around castles because they were like a lookout post to see if anyone was approaching the castle. Now, the town was originally an Anglo-Saxon settlement called Cleder Mutha. Cleder is the Saxon word for Clwyd, the river, and Mutha being the mouth, so the outflow of the River Clwyd. Following its reconquest in the 800s by the Welsh Kingdom of Gwynedd, it became the capital of Wales in the 1080s. After that, the English conquered it, and in the 1270s they built their castle in Rhuddlan. Diolch, subscribe for more. And if you want to have pity on a poor pilgrim and help me maybe have food somewhere between here and my walk to the next village, consider supporting me on Patreon. You can find it on the link in my bio. Have a good one.